So if you've been looking for a really nice, lightweight, kink-free garden hose that works really nicely, definitely need to check this one out. The company sent this out to me to try out, and I'm really liking it. It is super nice and lightweight, so when you carry it around, it's nice and lightweight, and when you have the water off and it's empty, it's even lighter, so much better than the heavy, like plastic garden hoses like that. This is super nice and light. And when there's no water in it, it's pretty flat, so it takes up very little space. It is kink-free as well. Here's a close-up look at the fabric there. It's real durable material here on the outside. It has these really nice metal fittings here on the outside as well, so it is really easy to attach to your hose and your nozzle here. So it's reinforced here as well. It is 50 feet long, so you can see how long it is. I can reach it all the way to the end of my garden there, no problem. So yeah, super nice. I was really happy with this. So if you're in need of one, definitely check this out.